All right, today I'm going to be doing some product rule of derivative problems. So I'm going to start out with a pretty simple function. What we have here is g of x equals x squared plus 1 times x squared minus 2x. So okay, we're just going to start out by g prime of x equals, and now we're going to apply our product rule, which is basically our first factor times the derivative of the second factor plus derivative of the first factor times our second factor. So let me write that out now. That's going to leave us with x squared plus 1 times derivative of this here, which gives 2x minus 2, plus derivative of our first factor, so 2x, times our second factor, which is just the same thing, so x squared minus 2x. Okay, so basically this is our derivative. We're just going to simplify it now. So g prime of x equals, we have to FOIL this through here. So this times this is 2x cubed minus 2x squared. So this is just like an algebra problem now. All we're doing is FOILing. Plus 2x minus 2. And plus, now we just need to distribute the 2x through this bubble here. So 2x cubed minus 4x squared. So this can still be simplified further. So g prime of x equals, we're going to simplify our cubes first. So 4x cubed, we have 4x cubed. That gets rid of those. Now we're going to move on to the squares. So minus 6x squared plus 2x minus 2. All right, so we're pretty much done now, besides one thing. All these factors have 2 in common, so we can actually pull out a 2. So our final answer is going to be g prime of x equals 2 times 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus x minus 1. And this here is our final answer. For our next problem, we're going to be doing the product rule again, but this time there's a trig function involved. So these have a tendency of giving people a problem, so we're going to work our way through it. So f prime of x equals, apply our product rule now. So first factor, which of course is just x cubed, times the derivative of our second factor. If you remember, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so it leaves us with negative sine x plus derivative of our first factor, so 3x squared, times just our second factor, so cosine x. Okay, now we're going to simplify it. So f prime of x equals negative x cubed sine x plus 3x squared cosine x. And looks like that's our final answer.